So your key won't start your Ford Super Duty. What do we do now? I'm going to help you guys with that. My name is Jason Gillette. I do walkthroughs, reviews, and tech tutorials on all kinds of things automotive. And today we are going to help you get this key fob to start your vehicle. So you have gotten in your vehicle, it won't start, nothing's happening. You're pressing the start button and nothing's working. And you're just wondering, like, is my vehicle dead? What's going on? Well, the first thing that I tell people to try is to use the contact bypass. So what can happen is the battery could have gone dead in this. You could be in an area where the signal is interrupted. Somebody has a police jammer jamming police signals or interrupting signals. These are done off an RMF frequency to the ignition, but Ford did make a bypass. Now, how do we do it? Well, if you've got a console like this, there's a little mat that sits in here. We're going to pull that out and look at this. There's a key slot. And once we put this key down here in this key slot, just like that, we can hit this button and we will get power and start up the vehicle, even if there is no battery in that remote. It's a bypass, okay? So it works great. Now you know what I know. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to help this channel, hit subscribe. And if you want to see more content like this, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. If this worked for you, or if it didn't work, or if you have more questions or anything, throw that in the comment section. I'll get to that right away. I'll also link a playlist to Super Duty content that we might find helpful, as well as another video on the Super Duty that you might like as well. So have a great day, you guys, and thanks for watching.